We just had the 55th meeting of the regional board of ESI Corporation. Okay, the main agenda on the board was actually formation of the ESI society. I think many of the staff, basically ESI staff, they have got apprehension and they have got some objection as far as this society is concerned. So we see, it is ultimately a scheme. So we are developing it as we have been carrying forward through the scheme of ESI. So now, as far as the formation of society is concerned, there was a proposal, the central government's proposal was there. Now, I think 3-4 states basically has done this society, has formed society under ESI. But our scheme basically is going on well. We have got no problems whatsoever. And there is nothing incentives that we found as far as if we go through this formation of the society, that there would be any beneficial for the workers as well as the staff. So we have basically rejected this proposal of going. So we are going to go to the scheme only. So we are not be a part of the ESI society. Then there was this 150-bed hospital. The land in Bicholin is coming up, Mulgaon in Bicholin. Now what has happened, we have taken land from Housing Board. In fact, ESI, they will be building this hospital of 150-bedded hospital. At present, only the compound wall basically, they have got sanction of compound wall, and the plans basically will be approved in their head office. And the time frame, I think within 2 years' time, the hospital should be complete. This is 150-bedded hospital. Now we have taken stock of the ESI hospital in Margao, South Goa ESI hospital. I think things are really bad there. I will personally go for inspection on 4th. And members, we invited some of the members from the, what is it? Employees and Employees Association.
4th September.
On 4th September, we will be having a visit there. We are thinking of appointing an administrator, actually, a retired administrator, maybe from earlier, who worked in GMC or district hospitals, basically to set up the hospital there. Because what has happened as far as the equipment and all, what is the requirement, and the full setup of doctors and all what we require. So we'll be appointing an administrator to look into that hospital. And Kunkoli will be starting new dispensary. And Verne also, they are upgrading the dispensaries of ESI hospital, and Pillar also.
Babuji, तुम्ही mention केलं का new hospital, Mulgaon, the full-fledged hospital.
Full-fledged hospital, 150-bedded hospital. It will be totally built and operated by them, by corporation. No. There was no
new hospital.
This is a new hospital. There was only one hospital of ESI was in Margao, South Goa. And rest we have dispensaries in all the industrial states. Maybe after 2 years. The plans basically has been they have forwarded for planning. It is in planning stage, and it will be built by them, built and operated by them, by ESI. No, I don't know anything about budget, because estimate they only prepare. They prepare the estimate and they get a sanction, and it will be built by them, by ESI.
Babu, South Goa जे असेल पळय त्याची किती facilities कमी आहे म्हटलं किती
facilities पहिले तर doctor bina, there is a shortage of doctor. So now what has happened, we have already sent a request to GPSC basically to recruit the doctors. But in the meantime, we said we will take doctors on contract basis, because we have got tie-up also with some private hospitals. But we want to see that our hospital is a full-fledged hospital which operates in the full. It is a 100-bedded hospital, I think. So it is not operating at its full capacity.
56 beds.
Equipments and all. So that's the reason I'm saying we need someone who, like an administrator, who has done, who is well adversed with what is the requirement of a hospital.
क्या appointment करना बरन करते हैं?
They आता होते contract basis. We have just taken the decision, so that will follow up. So we'll be inspecting on 4th. So we will on offhand we will come to know what is the state of the thing.
So GMC or administrator appoint?
No. It is a ESI hospital is a totally separate hospital. It has got nothing to do with GMC. What I said, a retired fellow from GMC or Hospicia Hospital